Emerging Bafana Bafana defender Mbekizile Mbogazi has urged his teammates to block out the frustration of their controversial defeats to Egypt and focus squarely on doing the job against Zimbabwe in their decisive final Group B clash at the 2025 Africa Cup of Nations in Marrakesh. South Africa's path to the knockout stages suffered a setback on Friday night after a 1-0 loss to Egypt in Agadir, a match overshadowed by a second-half VAR decision that overturned what appeared to be a clear penalty for Bafana Bafana. Despite the disappointment, qualification remains firmly within their control. The mathematics are straightforward. Beat Zimbabwe and Bafana Bafana advance to the round of 16 alongside Egypt, while Zimbabwe and Angola are eliminated. Speaking after the defeat, Mbogazi said the message inside the dressing room was one of resolve rather than despair. Is that the talking among the guys is that we must go to the match against Zimbabwe and fight for the win. It's tough, but we are confident because of how we played in the second half against Egypt. There's still a chance for us to go through and we can't give up now. Anna Hokobros, Bafana Bafana have built a reputation for unity and collective belief. Qualities Mbogazi believes will be crucial with everything on the line. Instead, we just have to stay together as a team and continue doing what we've been doing over the past few months. We have to win in the next game at all costs, and that means sticking together. Much of the post-match debate centered on the penalty decision that could have salvaged a vital point against the seven-time champions. Bagazi, however, insists there is no benefit in dwelling on what might have been. He said we felt it was a penalty, but the referees made their decision and there's nothing we can do about it. We feel hard done by, but football is like that. What matters now is the next game. The clash against Egypt also served as valuable education for the young centre-back who found himself pitted against Liverpool's Mohamed Salah and Manchester City forward Omar Marmush. And said, when I step onto the field, I don't think about the names I'm playing against. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.